Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to log into Telegram desktop, as you guys saw in my last video how to download and install Telegram. So today I have already started my Telegram desktop app. Once you open, you see this pop-up window. Click on the Start Messaging window. Once you click on it, you see this window. You can either scan your QR code from your mobile Telegram app or log in using your phone number. Today, we are going to be logging in using our phone numbers. So first of all, select your country. After that, input your cell phone number. Once you have completed adding all of those information, click on the Next button. Once you click on that, activation code will be sent to your mobile phone. I'm going to enter the code that is sent to my phone, which is 95,676, and now I have successfully logged into Telegram desktop, as you can see. If you haven't already, drop that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to never miss videos like this.